Hi, what's up, Bittorrent holder? So what's going on this time? Bittorrent is completely on the trending and get a very good profit now. So therefore, I am so happy because I am also a holder of Bittorrent, my friend. And this is October 5. So obviously, my friend, the Bittorrent price is pumping up day by day, hour by hour. In the start of month, if a coin will moving upward, so that's really nice, my friend. In upcoming time, I am 100% sure, my friend. In the second week of this month, my friend, I am 100% sure to Bittorrent will get a very good profit. So please, if you also want to get a profit, my brother, please keep touch with us. I will give you advice, I will give you, my friend, prediction, and also, my friend, I will share opinion. So please, just and only you will need to do this. I am 100% sure, my friend, you will get a very good profit. In this time, my friend, you can see here the BTT price will be increasing because 0.54% in last 1 hour. The price is increasing in last one day 5.76%, and last 7 days 17.01%. The price is increasing. That's mean, my friends, to Bittorrent price is hour by hour, minute by minute, and day by day increasing. That's really nice, my friend. The price is 0.003631 USD dollar. I hope, my friends, BTT price will again hit now 0.005 USD dollar just and only tonight now, my friend. If they just and only hit this target, so I am 100% sure, my friend, they will recover all the loss and they will make you millionaire now. So please, holders, do this what I tell you. I am 100% sure that they will make you millionaire. See you next time, BTT holder. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.